Urban Plan workshops are highly interactive planning simulations that allow Memphians a hands-on experience in the fundamental forces that affect urban development. Using building blocks, a map, and a spreadsheet, participants work as competing development teams responding to a hypothetical RFP for the redevelopment of the blighted urban area of Elmwood, located in the fictitious city of Yorktown, USA. Each participant is assigned a real-life role as a site planner or maybe a financial analyst or even a neighborhood liaison as the team wrestles with the goals of the RFP, such as removing blighting influences, generating tax revenues for the city, creating jobs, attracting retail businesses, meeting housing needs of mixed income groups, creating or preserving amenities, and protecting legally designated historic sites.
I think a lot of different types of people could get something from this process. Both people who are kind of in the field and that they can kind of try on another hat for size and see it from a different perspective, as well as someone who maybe isn't familiar with land usage or planning and development in general, and really kind of start at page one and learn all about the process from all different perspectives at one time.
After brief presentations to a mock city council comprised of ULI volunteers, the day culminates with the selection of the best proposal and ends with a case study presentation with an actual project in Memphis.
This thing can be useful to any community member because there is a need for development, especially in underserved communities, but for folks in those communities to feel as though they're part of the process and that the development is not happening to them. I think that they will benefit from it. So from the people to practitioners, I think the urban plan is a very valuable opportunity.
To learn more about the Urban Plan workshops, visit our website.